Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing 6 ways you're wearing clothing wrong. Now, obviously, not you specifically, but I wanted to share ways to make your outfits look a little bit more up to date and just better ways to style and dress outfits. Some of these don'ts are outdated. Some of them are actually in style and trendy, and I personally just flat out don't like them, and I think there's just much better ways to wear these specific outfits. That's what I wanted to share with you guys today. So obviously, always put this disclaimer, wear what you love and what you feel great in. Personal style is personal to each and every person. So of course, it really doesn't matter what other people think. This is definitely based on my personal style. So take what you love, leave what you don't, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, one outfit combination I just can't get around that I don't think looks that good, and I think this can look so much better. I see sporty sneakers, especially those New Balance chunky, like dad sneakers, being worn with really elevated outfits like trousers. I see them often with jeans too, but a lot of times I see them with trousers, with blazers. I just don't think those mix very well, especially with the trousers. Like, I get it if you love this shoe and you want to wear it with some like denim jeans. I think that's a better way to go with it. If you like that style, I just don't think they really blend well with trousers. So on myself, I've been showing here, I feel like these sneakers are not the best example, but I mean, they're a sporty, more casual sneaker. I don't like how this looks with it. So the easiest swap for crisp, sleek, white sneakers. I think they are so versatile. They go with so many things. You can even wear them with classic denim jeans or with trousers. Would recommend opting for very minimal, polished, sleek white sneakers. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm wearing necessarily. It's just a specific brand I really like. But as long as they're just white, crisp, minimal, sleek, not so much stitching and threading going on, just as simple as you can, they go perfectly with trousers. Okay, I mentioned this before. I want to mention it again. Don't wear sneakers with dresses. Now, I think if you're going to wear sneakers with dresses, you want to make sure the dress is casual. This one, for example, it does not look good with sneakers. Not every dress should be worn with sneakers. I mean, this is very girly, flowy, feminine. Something like this looks so much better with either heels or slides. You're gonna wear sneakers with dresses, and actually my subscribers mentioned this to me, which I loved this suggestion. That's why I'm putting it here, is with casual, maybe like a midi style dress, like specifically like the one that I'm wearing here. It is like an open neckline tank midi dress. It is ribbed, so it's like a sweater dress almost, but really thin, stretchy, mostly good for spring and summer, and you can transition it into fall with layers. But something I would be interested in wearing with sneakers versus like my other dress options that I have. Okay, the next thing. I know people disagree with this, but don't wear slippers out of the house. I really think there's a time and place for a lot of wardrobe pieces. Slippers are fantastic. I love them. They're so cozy. Yes, it looks cute and cozy. You can wear it at home. I think that's fine. I'm not gonna say anything. But if it's out of the house, not only are you getting your slippers really gross, not even that. Slippers like these are very expensive. Let's just put that out there. So you're ruining them really quickly, so it sucks. You're pairing something more dressed up and super duper casual, like ultra casual, as casual you can get. And I just don't think it really goes well together. So the alternative to this is just wear some comfortable shoes out of the house, some actual practical shoes that you would wear out of the house that are comfortable. Now let's talk about ripped jeans. I feel like when it comes to ripped jeans, you either love them or you hate them. I have so many mixed opinions in the comment section about ripped jeans. To each their own. I have some pairs of ripped jeans. I don't wear them as often as my non-ripped jeans. However, one really outdated style with ripped jeans is this style here. The ripped jeans with stiletto heels. So something super duper dressy with something very casual. I don't think they look very good together. Also, it's very outdated at the same time. I mean, you can easily date this outfit. So instead, if you're going to wear a ripped jean with a heel, have it be maybe a pump, like a block heel, a low block heel. I think that looks better. Or if you want to wear heels with jeans, pick a jean that has no rips in them. Or I just think ripped jeans are very casual, so I think it's better saved for just like some sneakers, maybe some cool slides. I love mixing dressy and casual pieces all the time. I've shared countless of outfits like that, but there are ways it works and then there are ways it doesn't. And this is one of the examples it doesn't. And then here's another pretty outdated outfit idea. I mean, you can really date this to like 2010s. The Waterfall Cardigan, the cami, that typically wasn't tucked in. I'm such a big fan of tucking in top and the skinny jeans. This was such a popular outfit combination in the 2010s. I had myself a waterfall cardigan for sure. So instead of wearing a combination like this, a really gorgeous, up-to-date, sleek, kind of modern / classic outfit combination I love, it's just more of like a slouchy knitted cardigan. This is the one I've been raving about for, man, almost 2 years now. It's from Quince. It is absolutely stunning. So comfortable. The way it lays on, it looks so flattering. And you have like the drapiness of the cardigan, but it's a little bit more up to date, a little bit more classic. You still get kind of like that relaxed slouchy vibe. I would just pair it with a tank tucked in to some slim fitted trousers. Now you can even do skinny jeans. I think I'll be totally fine with this outfit. It'll look gorgeous. I personally love slim fitted trousers. I love the combination of like the slouchy cardigan with the very sleek fitted pants. I just personal preference. I love how this looks, but you can swap out other jeans if you want to try that. But you know, an easy swap for this outfit is really just switching out the cardigan. Like camis, I think they're fabulous now. I would just tuck them in. Skinny jeans, honestly, I still wear them. Actually, that's gonna be the next point I get into. I would just swap out the cardigan because the waterfall one is just very dated to a specific time. And not only that, I'm just not a fan of all the big waves there. It just looks a little busy. Like literally looks like a waterfall. I mean, it's in the name. Don't get rid of your skinny jeans. Like please, please, please don't. I am literally wearing them right now. I love them so much. I mean, I feel like the stubbornness in me purposely won't get rid of them and will find ways to wear them in more up-to-date ways. Like here, pictured here, yes, these outfits with skinny jeans are absolutely outdated. And in all honesty, just like with everything else I mentioned in this video and the don'ts, if that's how you love to wear it, please don't listen to me. If you're looking for fresh ways to wear skinny jeans, so here's just 2 outfit examples I shared on myself on ways I love to wear it. So pretty much is I'll wear the skinny jean. Everywhere else in my outfit is either 1, up to date with a more modern style, or 2, I'm wearing classic pieces. Classics never go out of style. Classics are really easy to pair with maybe even some outdated pieces. Not all the time. Not the waterfall cardigan. Oftentimes you can wear classic pieces with pieces that are quote unquote outdated. I don't think skinny jeans are outdated. I mean, some people will say they are, some people won't. I don't think so. But I think there's more up-to-date ways you can wear them. So I would wear them with like a blouse and some sling back flats. Then another combination is also with classic pieces, a striped tank, 2-tone flats, a trench coat. So that's a really easy way to include skinny jeans in more classic ways or in more up-to-date ways, I guess I should say. Hopefully that was helpful. That actually brings it to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this do's and don'ts style of video. I love making these because I can get really specific on certain clothing pieces and outfit combinations. If you want to see more of this, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!